Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have clearly had BlackRock's full support. However, how about XRP? Am I correct? Many have wondered for a long time whether BlackRock is working on a covert project involving XRP. What plans does BlackRock have for XRP? Will they be making use of XRP? The question is if they can communicate with Ripple and similar systems. By the end of this video, you will see the real plan regarding a possible use case involving BlackRock and Ripple. So far, we have been given some subtle hints, but I want to delve into this topic and highlight a few connections. They have an interest in Bitcoin and Ether investments, but they also have an interest in these other technological uses, especially in tokenization. When it comes to these alternative technological uses, particularly those involving tokenization. Sure, that's intriguing. This was the Digital Asset Summit in 2024, which took place 3 months ago. It was all about BlackRock and Barclays using JP Morgan's blockchain for a landmark collateral deal, which I think happened around May. Cryptocurrency, according to BlackRock CEO, will be a boon to the European clearinghouse. Euroclear has issued the world's first tokenized digital euro bond, with a face value of 100 million euros. Daily transactions using JP Morgan's digital coin amounted to $1 billion, according to the bank. For the first time in almost 2 years, the cryptocurrency market cap is approaching 1.5 trillion. After 2 years at the top, CME Bitcoin futures open interest has surpassed Binance. For its affluent Hong Kong clientele, UBS has been offering crypto ETF trading for years. Financial behemoth Nomura of Japan establishes ETH fund. Spot Ethereum ETF data filed by BlackRock. Institutional investors can now take use of HSBC's new digital asset custody services. A plan to integrate stablecoins into the mainstream economy has been laid forth by the UK. HSBC introduces a new way to acquire actual gold, tokenized ownership. Standard Chartered acquired by Thailand's fourth largest bank for 103 million Hong Kong becomes the latest jail for Zodiac. In order to support its blockchain-enabled app, Wisdom Tree has announced plans to raise additional digital funds. With a charter to invest $100 million in cryptocurrency entrepreneurs, the World Bank has launched its first digital bond offering on the Euroclear standard. Institutionalization, tokenization, and regulation appear to be the primary themes here. That being said, why was Brad Garlinghouse the presenter at this? On top? I mean, tokenization, Bitcoin ETFs in general, and regulations were the key points of discussion. For what reason isn't an XRP ETF being discussed? Is it in their plans? I don't understand. Are they working on something else with XRP? The main point is tokenization, isn't it? Here on the XRP ledger, Ripple released the foundational components of institutional DeFi on May 29th. The XRP ledger's battle test, which has enabled the secure, reliable tokenization and movement of value for over a decade, is about to conclude, and with it comes a flood of new information that has shifted my entire attention to institutional DeFi, which will revolutionize the financial industry as we know it. One of the most reliable options available, and tokenization is where institutional DeFi is putting all of its emphasis. Regarding institutional defense, tokenization is the most important item to tackle. There are now many of the primary components necessary for institutional DeFi to take place on the XRP ledger and for it to grow swiftly. Ripple has an open position for a senior manager of business development and institutional defining on their website, so we know this has been their goal for some time. Can you still tell me what this work entails? There's more to it than just institutional defiance. In pursuit of this goal, Ripple X is pouring more and more resources into institutional DeFi, the process of applying blockchain technology and protocols to tokenized financial assets. With the right regulatory and compliance safeguards in place, institutional DeFi is well positioned for widespread use. The financial services industry is considering Ripple as an option, and the company is working with businesses and organizations to create solutions that use the XRP ledger and its native digital asset, XRP. Now, if BlackRock and Ripple couldn't stop talking about their respective XRP exchange-traded funds, ETFs, it would be because they are optimistic about them. Could this be an opportunity for BlackRock's tokenization services to use the XRP ledger? If so, how? From what we can see, their clientele is quite keen on exploring tokenization opportunities beyond ETFs. Now that I'm completely devoted to institutional DeFi, and more especially to institutional tokenization, Ripple is the top project that I'm considering. Tokenization has been their focus as of late. In August, we received the tokenized treasury bills. Radical shift in the playing field. Actually, this is a huge vote of confidence for the XRP blockchain. Here you can find a quote as well. T-Bill's addition to the XRP ledger, powered by OpenEden, strengthens the decentralized Layer 1 blockchain once more, giving institutions even more faith on the platform as they consider where to tokenize their real-world assets. Working together, Arctic and Ripple are adding tokenized real-world assets to the XRP ledger. Revolutionary new piece of equipment. A great deal more is accurate as well. Ethereum will be a key entry point to unlock new opportunities for institutional and DeFi use cases across multiple ecosystems. Arcix, Axlar, Zonix, and even here, we have Ripple reports from Singapore, an upcoming stablecoin launch, and Monica Long Ripple's present ads. By adding a reliable stablecoin to the XRP ledger, we can encourage more adoption and development, which will lead to a thriving ecosystem, and take advantage of the innate features of the XRP ledger, which include a decentralized exchange and an automated market maker. Indeed, the XRP ledger identifies the stablecoin as an important instrument for institutional DeFi. When put together, these factors bode well for the XRP ledger's institutional adoption via tokenization and DeFi. Something like this has probably been in the works for some time, and it has me incredibly pumped up. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.